Hey guys, it's Keith here from East Tennessee Flippers, and I just wanted to welcome you to episode number 6. Stay tuned. Item number 1 that we're pulling today is going to be from bin number 4, and it sold for $25.67 shipped. And it is one of these wall clippers. Order number 2 sold for $9.99 shipped. And it is a set of 3 squash balls for $9.99 shipped. Order number 3 is going to be from bin number 4 also, and it sold for $25.67 shipped. Bin number 4, it's going to be a set of those wall clippers, guys. These are a hot item right now. But I want to thank Cheryl for her first purchase of the wall clippers, Walt for his purchase of the squash balls, and Odalis for their order of the wall clippers. So guys, let me tell you what's going on. Right now I'm running through inventory and I'm almost out. So what I'm having to do is I got back with my old source, and hopefully sometime this week my source will be sending me items. So hopefully I'll be able to buy some items and have a replenished source now, because as you guys can see, this right here is all I've got to list with. But other than that, guys, I mean, I've got everything listed. I've tried to slow my listings down, but I'm only listing 5 items a day still. I do have some multi-quantity items that I'm putting up today, but other than that, guys, I mean, that's going to do it for this video. Smash that like button, share, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, guys. And just remember, there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do, and keep on keeping on, guys.